Hello po. So today I'm gonna show you how to edit a thumbnail. So you have to install an app called PixArt. Just have to open it and click the plus sign at the bottom. Then scroll down, go to the color backgrounds because it's free. Choose whatever color you like, and then at the bottom scroll to the side and click fit. Choose 16 by 9, which is a standard thumbnail for YouTube. So you can change the color of your background, but I chose this one because I have a photo for my background. So at the bottom you can click add photo if you wanted to add photo, and then click the photo that you'd like. So I have this one for my background, and then you can also click add photo again if you want to add another one on top of that photo. Then just click the photo that you want to add and then click add. At the bottom you have a choices to crop or cut out, but I choose cut out because it's easy. You can just select person and it will just do that. You also have a choice to restore or erase something. You can also change the size of the eraser or the pen to restore, so it'd be easy for you to trace the part that you want to restore or erase. You can zoom it in to easily trace the side you want to erase or restore. After that, you can click preview to see if it's completely cleaned, and then click save at the top. Then you can place the picture wherever you want to place it. And you can also put a border on your photo and color it whatever color you like. You can also change the size of the border. Since I have to pull down my picture, I also have a choice to erase the part which need to be erased at the bottom. So click the eraser at the top and then just erase the part that you need to erase. Don't worry about the border, it won't show on the picture when you save it. Now if you wanted to put a text on your photo, you can click text and then type whatever you want to type for your thumbnail. After typing, just click check on the top. You can also change the font of your text. You also can change the color and stroke as well. And if you want to add more features like stickers, you also can click stickers and search for the sticker that you want. If the stickers that you want have some crown on it, it means that you have to pay to use those stickers. If you like that sticker, you just have to click on it and it will add on the photo that you're editing. If you want more sticker, you can add more stickers on your pictures. And if you're done editing, you can just click apply at the top and then click the arrow down to save the photo. Be sure that you didn't use any features that have crowns on it if you don't want to pay. That's it guys, I hope you learned something from me today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye.